Our main sponsor for the iPhone 6 coverage is sellcashier.com. They compare iPhone prices on the internet and give you a quick quote and the most cash for your iPhone. So go ahead and check them out. It's simple, fast, and secure.
Hey guys, it's Ed again from TechSource. I just want to thank you for watching the video and quickly announce the giveaway for the iPhone 6 as I mentioned in my previous video. So we partnered with MS Tech to make this happen, and he also has a channel with pretty cool tech videos. But anyways, the requirements to enter is simple. All you have to do is leave one comment in the description section down below letting me know why you want to win the iPhone 6, and also do the same for the MS Tech's video. I'm going to link it right over here, and then retweet this video on my Twitter page. You can find the link to that video in the description section down below. So once again, recap, all you have to do is leave a comment here, leave a comment on MS Tech's video, and then click on the link in the description section and retweet that, and you will automatically be entered. The winner will be announced on October 10th on my Twitter page, so make sure you guys follow me there. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and good luck.
So before I go, I wanted to share an awesome website with you guys. Sellcashier.com is a site where you can sell your iPhone for the highest dollar amount. Sellcashier only purchases iPhones, and they currently operate in the United States. They do accept all the iPhones listed on this page. Simply visit their website, get a quote, ship your iPhone, and get paid. It's simple, fast, and most importantly, secure. You can either have them send you a check or get paid directly through PayPal. Here is a list of their current prices, and you can compare it to their competitors. So if you have an iPhone that you want to sell, don't go anywhere else because Sellcashier will pay you the most. This is Ed from TechSource, and I will see you next time.